Hello, thank you for your interest in standingchairmart.com. Hey, this is a unique business here on Flippa.com. It's a 100% drop shipping business with items shipping directly from the United States, arriving to your buyers within 2 to 3 days. So real quick, I'll give you a quick background on this business. I actually operated a version of this business for about 4 months before I was contacted by a company that wanted the domain name, just the domain name of the business that I was operating. And this was some years back. So I sold that, and this website kind of just sat on the edge for a while since I got into other things. But so the business model does work. I will tell you, these products are shipped directly from Amazon. Okay, everything shipped from Amazon. There's a plugin on the back end that is set up in a way so where people come into the store, they purchase an item. Your website the plugin will purchase the items from Amazon and then send them out to your buyer as a gift, so none of the pricing shows on the products when they get to your buyers. Okay, super unique business. I have researched the niche, and it's still trending up. So it's a great opportunity for anybody who wants to get in this space to get a very good website, professionally designed, with a Facebook page, marketing ads, video marketing ads that come with it, a great looking logo, and also support. Once you purchase the business, you will get a consultation with me on how to best run the business. I will send you personalized step-by-step videos on how to operate the back end of the business. Also, a couple free courses on drop shipping and marketing. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I doubt this last on here too long, and I'm not opposed to keeping this business because I know it works. Oh, also, I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but the business can be set up as an affiliate business too. So instead of people actually clicking on the items and they and the items being sold as being drop shipped, this could be set up in the back end so that when people click on these items, they go to Amazon for checkout, and you get paid in a affiliate commission for these products. Okay, so great opportunity for anybody who wants to own a unique business that works. It's very beginner friendly, and I'm here to help. All right, God bless you. Bye bye.